plant dusting on the hind legs, and sometimes it spreads up onto the abdomen a little bit. There are many specialists in this family. They're solitary. Again, these are totally ground nesting. Another group, which we have a few of here in the Sonoran Desert, this is the genus Colides. Sometimes you'll find these on creosote bushes. These are called membrane or polyester bees, not because they run around in little 1970s retro leisure suits, but bees are chemists par excellence, right? So they have big glands called Dufour's glands in the abdomen, and they take compounds called macrocyclic lactones, and with enzymes they zip these things together and they make a clear polyester. A true, if you showed this to a chemist, this is a truly polyester. And what do they do with these? Well, they line the burrows in the cells, and it maintains humidity inside the cells, but it also, you know, they're not flooded, so it's a protective system. So you're kind of shrink wrapping your kids underground. There are other secretions that bees use or take from plants that allow bees to wage war against bacteria and viruses, because things that are down there in the ground, you can imagine that they'd be attacked by fungi. So this is very diverse, about 2,000 species in this family. They're mainly Australian and South American, but we have a few in the US. A really big common family. A lot of gardeners notice these. All sweat bees. If you're out there having fun sweating in your garden and you flex your elbow or kneel down and go, ah, what was that? Something bit me. Well, no, something stung you, but it was a little sweat bee. And these bees are actually going after salts in your perspiration. In fact, especially in the tropics, it's very common for bees to alight on mud or damp areas of the soil and take up salts, just like we heard about mudding or puddling in butterflies. Very diverse. They're cosmopolitan. They're all over the world. They go from being solitary to social. So in some of these things, you might have dozens or hundreds of bees in an underground nest, with one female kind of taking on the role of a queen. It's really an interesting group socially. Leafcutters and masons, the Megachilidae. The carder bees. There are some bees that actually go around and with their mandibles strip the trichomes, the plant hairs, off of really fuzzy plants and use them